At LyondellBasell, we're delivering healthcare solutions you can trust. We're there in the doctor's office and in the hospital, providing healthcare-grade polymers that power the tools of modern medicine. From face masks to medical tubing, syringes to IV bags, our materials are the foundation of care. Every project is backed by rigorous testing, regulatory compliance, and expert technical support. In the quiet of a heartbeat, LyondellBasell is delivering everyday solutions to an ever-changing medical world. LyondellBasell, solutions for a better tomorrow.